What is typecasting in Python? So typecasting is a way to convert the data type of a variable to some other data type. There are two types of typecasting. First is implicit, another is explicit type. So let's start with explicit typecasting. Let's suppose we have a variable with value as 1. So here 1 is a string because we have used double quotes here. So if we print the value or maybe type of x, then here we can see x is of string type. Now let's typecast it to integer. So this is a way to typecast any variable to integer. Let's print type of y. Also we can print their values. Print x and print y. Let's run this program. So for here we have x, then type of x. So value is 1 and we have class as type as string. And then for y we have converted this string variable into integer variable. So y is now integer and the value of y will be the value present in this x. So now this one is of integer type. So here we have printed the type of y, which is now int. So here string value is typecasted into integer value. Now let's typecast few more values. Let's say x is integer and we can convert it into float. Now let's check the output. So here we have printed the value of x, which is of type integer, and then we have typecasted integer value of x to floating value and saved it into y variable. Then we have printed y variable and its type. So here now the integer value is converted into float value and type of class is float. So here we have typecasted integer value to float data type. Now let's check one more example. We have assigned a floating value to variable x and we will typecast it into integer. Let's check the output here. Here it is a x is a floating value which is 3.5 and its type is float. Then we have typecasted it into integer value. So here the decimal part is ignored and only integer part is used. So the value of y is integer, which is 3 and its type is integer. Now let's check one more example. Let's say we have value integer and we want to convert it into string. So we use str, convert it into string. Now let's check the output. Here x is 1 and its type is integer, and now it is typecasted into string. So here y is 1 and its type is string. So this is all about the explicit typecasting. Here we are explicitly typecasted the data type of the variables, existing variables. So now let's check about the implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is when typecasting is done automatically by Python. So let's suppose we have x equals to 3, y equals to 2.5. X equals to 3. X is an integer variable. It is of integer type. And Y is a floating type, float variable. Now let's check Z equals to X plus Y. Print Z and print type of Z. So what will be the value of Z and what will be the type of Z? So here we can see 3 plus 2.5 is 5.5 and its type is float. So here integer value is automatically converted to float value, then it is added with this 2.5 as float value, and the result is also a float value which is 5.5. So here Python typecasted this integer value to float value automatically. Now let's check with true, x equals to true, which is boolean type, and y equals to, let's say, 4, which is of integer type. So for boolean, this value will be converted to integer type because we are using x plus y. So this value will be automatically converted to integer, which is 1, and then 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 is an integer value, so output will be 5 and type will be of integer type. So here we can see output is 5 and its type is integer. Now let's check with false value. So false means false, when false will be typecasted to integer, its value will be 0. But in case of true, if true is typecasted to integer, its value will be 1. So here 0 plus y is 4. 0 plus 4 will be 4. So z will be 4 and its type will be integer. So here we can see z is 4 and its type is integer. So that's it about the implicit typecasting, which is automatically done by Python. Now let's check about what are the escape characters. Suppose we have a string, let's say x equals to my name is Shubhankar. And let's print it. Sorry. If I run this program, it will print this string, which is present in x variable. So my name is Shubhankar, full stop. This is printed. Now let's suppose I want to use double quotes to highlight my name. So I will write double quotes here. So it is showing us error, unresolved reference Shubhankar. But let's run the program and check. So here we get syntax error. And for which line number? Line number 1 in sample.py file. So this is the sample.py file. This is line number 1. And where we are getting the error? Here. And why we are getting the error? The reason is we have started the string from here and ended the string here. And now this Shubhankar, it is considered as variable. And after that equals to operation should be used, but we have again used this double quotes. So this is a wrong syntax in Python. But how we will use this double quotes in this string? So we use escape characters. So it is escape characters starts with backslash. So I will use backslash here. So this double quotes will be considered inside this string. I will use one more backslash here. Now you can see the error is removed. So my string starts from here and ends here. And rest all double quotes will be followed by backslash. Now let's check the output. Now we can see double quotes are present in my string. So let's suppose I want to type slash here. This is slash. So this is showing us the error, missing quotes. Why? Because after slash we have double quotes. So let's check with space as well. Now try to print. So here it is giving us error. Invalid escape sequence backslash space. Therefore, we need to use one more backslash. Now let's check the output. Now here we can see there is no error and we have this backslash. This is a backslash. Now we have one more escape character. So let's simplify this string. This is first line. This is let's directly print the string. This is first line. Then I will print. This is second line. Run the program. Since we have two print statements, it will print two lines. This is first line, this is second line. But what if I need to write only single print statement? I will copy this string and move it here. So will it print two lines? No. Let's check. This is first line, this is second line. Why? Because this is a single string and it is in a single print statement. But how we can write this in two lines? How we can split this string in two lines? So what we can use is we can use one escape character which is backslash n. Backslash n represents new line. So after full stop we have backslash n. So enter will be pressed here and automatically, and this is second line will be printed in next line. So let's run this program. Here we can see this is first line. After that we have new line escape character. So cursor moved to new line, and then we have this is second line. This is second line is printed here. So this is about the new line escape character. Then we have slash t, which is a tab character, escape character. So it will add 7 spaces. So let's check. So here we can see this is first line, then we have tab, and then this is second line. After that we have slash b for backspace. So let's single word hello, then slash b. So what it will do, it will try to print the whole letters, and after that it will use backslash. So o will be removed. Only first 4 letters will get printed. So let's check. Instead of hello we have hell. So O is omitted. Why? Because we have backslash. What if I write 2 times? So for first O will be removed and then L will be removed. So we will have HEL. We can see. So these are all about the escape character.